With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Let us discuss the given problem. We have to draw the lines of symmetry for the following shapes. First shape is given of a flower, and we have to draw the line of symmetry for this shape. Now, before beginning with the question, we need to understand the concept of line of symmetry. What is a line of symmetry? Line of symmetry is that line which is going to divide our figure into two equal halves, right? Now, if we consider first figure as an example, then we can say if this is our line which we are considering, then we can easily observe that this is dividing this figure into equal halves, right? So we can say that this line is going to act as a line of symmetry for this figure. Now, to understand this more, we have to consider next example, that is option number B. Now, in this case, what line is going to be known as the line of symmetry? We need to just divide this figure into equal halves, and that line would be the line of symmetry, right? So this is the line which is dividing this into equal halves symmetrically, to be more precise. So this is the line of symmetry, right? Now let us shift on to the next problem, which is this figure, right? In this figure, we can say that this line is going to act as the line of symmetry because this is dividing this figure symmetrically into equal halves, right? Now, if we talk about this figure, that is this one, now then what could be the line of symmetry for this figure? Obviously, this line is acting as a line of symmetry because this is dividing the figure into equal halves symmetrically, right? Now let us talk about this problem, that is this figure. Now what is going to be the line of symmetry for this one? This line, which is basically like this is going to act as a line of symmetry for this figure, and also this line, right? So these are the two lines which are actually acting as line of symmetry. Now let us switch on to this part. Now this is a figure, right? So we can observe that this line which is dividing this into equal half is the line of symmetry for this one, and also this line. So these are the two lines of symmetry for this figure. If we have to divide this figure symmetrically, then we would say that this line is acting as a line of symmetry for this one, and this line is also acting as a line of symmetry for this figure, right? Now let us switch on to the next part, that is this one. So in this case, this line is going to act as a line of symmetry because this is dividing this figure into two equal parts symmetrically, right? Now let us solve this problem. So this is a circle, and in a circle we can draw a number of lines that are passing through the center, which would be the line of symmetry for a circle. So there are infinite number of lines of symmetry for a circle because the line which is passing through the center is acting as the diameter for the circle, and each of the diameter for the circle is going to act as line of symmetry. So we can draw a number of lines of symmetry for a given circle, right? Now let us solve this figure. Now in this figure, we observe that this line is going to divide this figure symmetrically, and this line is also going to act as a line of symmetry. Now let us switch on to the next figure. So this is the oval, right? And how can we divide this? We can divide this through this line, and we can divide this through this line. So these are the two lines of symmetry for this figure. Now if this is our triangle, given that the sides are equal, that is, this is an isosceles triangle, so we can say that this line which is going to divide this triangle into two equal halves, that is symmetrically, so this line would be termed as line of symmetry, right? Now this is a quarter. To divide this, we are going to draw this line which would be acting as a line of symmetry in this case.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.